Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will discuss about the review of MacBook Air M1 2020 which I bought 2 months before, and I have already made 2 videos regarding that, but that was an overview. In this video I am going to discuss detailed pros and cons of this MacBook Air. So if you are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you subscribe it and view my other videos and share with your friends. So let's start with the video. So MacBook Air was launched in 2020 incorporating M1 processor by Apple, which is regarding as a groundbreaking breakthrough. So it was received with the people very warmly and it performed exceptionally well. But there are certain pros and certain cons. So here in this video, I am going to discuss one by one what it is and how you can avoid it. So I am with the official website of MacBook Air, so you can get the exact picture of what is that you are getting. So M1 chip is like 3.5 times faster, and it also incorporates a separate dedicated graphics processing unit which is 5 times faster than the previous version, and it also have a neural engine which is 9 times faster machine learning. So if you are into editing and other kind of media creating stuff, it will help you when you are creating your content. And most importantly, this MacBook Air does not incorporate any fan, so there is no issue of heating, and there is also silent device, so you can work in peace without having to go through any kind of noise. Now if I talk about M1 chip, in my previous videos I explained it in details, and in this video I'm going to tell you about what are the other features which I previously missed out. So it has 8 core central processing unit, and now let me show you how it redefines speed. So as you can see in this paragraph, there are 8 core CPU, and it combines 4 performances cores and 4 efficiency cores. So basically in 8 cores, 4 cores are for performance and other 4 cores are dedicated for efficiency. They work together to tackle demanding multi-threaded tasks, resulting in a quantum leap in performance at a fraction of the power and a significant boost to battery life. Yes guys, this is definitely true. I've been using this device for 2 months and so far I have not received any kind of battery issue. Yes, it is also true that I have not played any battery intensive, or you can say power intensive games, but for normal day-to-day usage this works extremely well. You don't have to worry about anything, and yes, I watch a lot of videos over this, mostly in HDR and 4K. These are also good, so no problems there. Now for performances cores, so if I talk about that, so it is world's fastest CPU core when it comes to low power silicon. So Apple calls it Apple Silicon. So M1 has 4 of them combining their efforts for a massive boost in performance and compile in Xcode in significantly less time, record, mix and master professional quality music in Logic Pro with scores of tracks, plugins and virtual instruments, and create stunning image in Adobe Lightroom with unprecedented speed and responsiveness. So performance course helps you with creativity. If you are creating music or if you are recording artist, it will help you, and also if you are a photographer or editing kind of work you are doing, it will also help you that. Now talk about efficiency course. So it delivers outstanding performance for everyday tasks using just a tenth of the power. So these e-cores are the most efficient place to run lightweight tasks, allowing the performance cores to tackle the most demanding workload. Now here is something which I can compare. So if you are using previous generation MacBook Air, that is base variant, and you compare it with MacBook Air M1 chip, you will see that if you are using Final Cut Pro for editing, it will give 3.9 times faster pro resolution transcode speed. If you are using Xcode, it will give 3.6 times faster project build. If you are using Logic Pro, it will give you 2.5 times more amp design plugins, and Adobe Lightroom for your editing, it will give you 2.3 times faster image export. So these are the data which Apple has thrown to understand how performance is improved over the last generation MacBook Air. Now talk about graphics. So it has 8 core GPU which offers 5 times faster graphics. And now let me talk about how it wraps up. So GPU also, it has 8 core GPU, but my device has 7 core GPU, which I'll talk later in this video. So it puts MacBook Air in a class of its own, and it features the world's fastest integrated graphics in a personal computer. That's up to 5 times faster graphics performance compared with the previous generation. Now mind you that there are two type of graphics. So one is integrated graphics, which Intel also provides with their Dell XPS series, and other HP also provide with their Pavilion series. And there are dedicated graphics card. So MSI gaming laptops, they incorporate separate Nvidia or AMD Radeon type of graphics. So it's a different thing. But talking about integrated graphics, it is best in its class right now. And the incredible graphics performance, that is, content creators can edit and seamlessly play back multiple streams of full quality 4K video without dropping a frame. Now that is very bold statement made by Apple, and it is sometimes true and sometimes don't, because optimization is the thing which will comes into play when you are doing intensive projects or tasks. Now there I have also given some kind of data. So in Final Cut Pro, it will 5.3 times faster 3D title render speed. Shadow of the Tomb Raider is a game, if you play, it will give you 3.1 times faster game performance. Affinity Photo, if you use, it will give you 2.7 times faster GPU raster performance. And Shaper 3D, you will get up to 2.2 times faster real-time 3D performance. And Apple has not compared it with any other models of laptops. So it is just compared with MacBook Air baseline. And talk about what's its specifications, it comes with Intel i3 processor. So I would say it is not very concluding or very transparent as you can see, but we will have to wait for few more months to actually compare it with other performing devices, because Intel has also launched its 11th generation of microprocessors, which I will talk in my later part of the video. And talk about battery, it is giving up to 18 hours of battery life, and that is 6 more hours free of charge. Yes, that is true, but there is one more thing. If you are using this laptop for rendering 4K videos, then it will drain your battery faster. And also it's your display performance and your sound performance. So if you are using display and sound at max, so it will be difficult for you to last more than 24 hours, and you will have to get your battery charged again. Now let's talk about M1 thermal story. So any laptop or any device is performance based, and it must be thermal efficiency. So if your device heats up quite often, its performance will reduce, and also it will be difficult for you to work on it. And for the longer performance and lasting, the laptop will not last for more years, and it will disintegrate faster. So talking about thermal efficiency, so it delivers amazing performance without a fan, because it has an aluminum heat spreader which dissipates the heat the system generates. So no matter how intense the task, MacBook Air runs completely silently. Yes, that is true guys, but then again, if you are using heavy games in this, it eventually it will heat up. So this is not like any device cannot heat up, but it is not if, it is when. Now machine learning, and machine learning is something which is new, and I will make a dedicated video regarding that. And macOS Big Sur, I already discussed it. So Apple is working on its MacBook OS operating system and continuously pushes updates with few bug fixes and new features. So it is a work in progress. Every time I will make new video whenever they reduce or whenever they improve their performance. Now in this video, that's it guys. And in my later part of the video, I said that I will discuss Intel generation processors. So Intel has launched 11th generation i3, i5 and i7 processors, and right now I cannot discuss it without a device in my hand, so I will get on hands on with any device and then I will let you know how the performance. So that's it for now guys. Thanks for staying my video. I will see you next time.